This week is very eventful week for Nvidia because AMD and SMCI earnings due on Tuesday and also FOMC meeting on Tuesday/Wednesday. Both of these events can impact Nvidia stock movement. So let's discuss these events with regards to Nvidia in this video. Let's start with SMCI and AMD earnings analysis. On your screen, you see this table. This has NVIDIA, SMCI, and AMD earnings actual for last quarter and the earnings projection for this quarter. And the difference between actual versus projected, the last quarter's earnings surprise or earning miss, forward P ratio as of 412, 419, and the latest number as of last Friday, that is 426. Starting with SMCI, you see SMCI earnings actual 5.59 and the earning projection for this quarter is 5.85. So earnings is projected to go high. The last quarter earnings surprise was 13.27. So that's a very good thing about SMCI. One hand, SMCI earning projection is going up, plus SMCI was able to beat the earnings in the last quarter. So we can expect SMCI can beat the earnings in this quarter as well. And now for the forward P ratio, take a look. At this point, it's 33.57. This is much less than NVIDIA and AMD. So this tells me that SMCI is a very good pick as of this point. It was even much better pick last week. Now let's take a look at AMD. AMD actual last quarter was 0.77. The projected earnings for this quarter is 0.61. So this means that earning projection is going down. It's 0.16 down. So in the last quarters, there was earning miss from AMD. That is 0.26%. So AMD did not have a good quarter last quarter, right? And this quarter, AMD is not projected to go further high. But there is a chance that AMD can beat the earnings. Let's take a look. Actual versus projected. The difference is 0.16. So there's a possibility that AMD can beat the earning, even if it was not able to beat the earning in the last quarter. The forward PE ratio as of this point is 51.27. 419, it was 47.92. So it went up because AMD stock price also went up in last 2 days. So compared with AMD, SMCI is a better pick. But if SMCI and AMD both were able to beat the earnings on Tuesday, and that can help NVIDIA go further up. But if SMCI and AMD both miss the earning, you'll see NVIDIA stock under pressure. If one misses the earning, the other one beats the earning, that might neutralize the effect on NVIDIA. So I expect that NVIDIA may be doing sideways rather than going down. Now the another effect on NVIDIA can come from FOMC meeting notes. Let's talk about it. Now I'm showing you this table. This contains the Fed target rate starting from January 2022 through March 2024. You see that in 2022, they increased the rate quite a lot. The speed was too high. But 2023, they slowed down, 0.25%, 0.25. Used to be 0.5% or 0.75 basis point. At this point, it's between 5.25 to 5.5. The mid rate is 5.38. But this depends on the inflation data. As we noted that inflation data is not going down. It's either static or going up. Let's take a look. I'm showing you the CPI data. This table contains the CPI historical data as of this point. So last time, the CPI data came 3.5% versus the February 3.2%. So it went up 0.3%. Historically, take a look. From November 2023 through March 2024, it's not going down. It's 0.4% increase from November 2023 through March 2024. The core CPI, it went down a little bit, but not much. Let's take a look PC index. Now I show the PC index table and the historical data. As of last Friday, we saw PC index came higher than the forecast and also came higher than the last month. That is 2.7% versus 2.5% on March. So 0.2% increase. So starting from February, March went up, in April also went up. That's not a good sign. The core PC, yes, it's coming down, but the speed is very slow. So it used to be 3.7, 3.5, 3.2, but starting January, the speed is very slow. And that makes the Fed job very challenging. One thing is for sure that they're not gonna increase the rate or cut the rate at this time, right? But market was expecting they should start cutting the rate in Q3, but now since the inflation is not coming down, so I'm guessing maybe the market new expectation is Q4. But comments from the Fed team will be very important. If they show some kind of concern that the inflation is not going down, then that won't be a good news for the market and market will react to it. If they show satisfactory performance on the inflation, then probably market won't react to it. And also, if they hint that the rates cut is not going to come anytime in Q3 and Q4, then also that won't be a good news for the market, and market will react to it. So their comments are very important after the meeting. Let's watch for it. And Nvidia and other AI stock movement will depend on what they say in the FOMC meeting. Thank you so much for watching this video. So my job was to make you aware what's coming this week and how we can get prepared what is coming. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more tomorrow. Take care.